So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode question, that is number of subarrays of size k and average greater than or equal to threshold. So let us read the problem statement. So you are given an integer array ARR and two integers k and threshold, and we need to return the number of subarrays of size k where the average is greater than or equal to threshold. So what the question is saying, that we are given two integers k and threshold and an integer array ARR. And what we need to return is the number of subarrays whose size is 3 and the average is greater than this or greater than or equal to than this threshold given value. So let us see this first example and try to understand the question and find some solution out of it. So this is the first example that they have given, and this is the array ARR and this is the k value and this is the threshold value. So what we need to do now, we need to check each and every subarray of size k. In this case k is 3, so one subarray can be this one, the another subarray can be this one, all are of size 3, the other can be again of this one. So it will continue going, and I have drawn all the subarrays which are possible for this ARR, which are of size 3. So these are the 6 possible subarrays whose size will be 3. So these are the subarrays, and what we need to find out is the number of subarrays from this whose average is greater than or equal to this given threshold value. Now how to find the average? It is simple. The sum of every element in this array divided by k, because the size of subarray will be k, so it will be divided by k only. So here the average will be 6 by 3, so it will be 2. Again here it will be 6 by 3, so it will be 2. Now here it will be like 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, so 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. Similarly here it would be 12 by 3, here it would be 15 by 3, and here it would be 18 by 3. Now we need to return number of subarrays whose average is greater than or equal to this threshold value. So 2 is not greater than or equal to, so this will not be counted, this will also not be counted, 3 will also not be counted, 4, yes, 4 is equal to the threshold value, so this will be counted, yes. So we found one subarray. Now 5, yes, 5 is greater than this threshold value, so we will count another subarray. 6 is again greater than this threshold value, so it will also be counted. So in total we will have 3 subarrays whose average is greater than or equal to this given threshold value. So our answer should be 3, and yes, it is 3. So now how will we do is, so one thing is for sure, that we need a constant size subarray that is of size k. So one thing is for sure, that we can use a sliding window approach with a fixed window size. And that will be of size k. So we will maintain a window size of k, and we keep on taking the average alongside with us. Now whenever we will find a particular subarray whose average is greater than or equal to this threshold value, we will increment our answer. Otherwise we will keep on going. So let me show you how we will do is. So with this example only we can understand. So we will have one I pointer and we will have one j pointer. So this is j pointer, this is I pointer. So first of all j will be keep moving until our window size is of k. So once the size is k, we will calculate the average. Now we will maintain a sum variable which will keep on taking the sum of ARR of j, and whenever our window size will be equal to k, so what we need to check, we will check if the sum divided by k is greater than or equal to this given threshold value, then we will increment our answer. Otherwise we will keep on going as we do in normal sliding window. Now if the size is of 3, then we will move our j pointer and we will shift our I pointer, so that we check for some for some next subarray. So this will keep on happening, like it is a normal sliding window with a fixed size, with the window being a fixed size. So this will keep on happening, and this is the logic that we will use. So let us see the code now and understand in more better way. So first of all, we will declare the size of the array in n variable. So it will be arr.size. Then what we will do, we will create two pointers I and j. J will be like moving towards, j will be moving from the right and I will be shifting from the left side. So just basic two pointer approach. Now what we will do, we will also maintain a sum variable which will keep the track of current sum, which will be easier to calculate the average. So we will maintain a sum, and what we will do, we will like write this sliding window code now. So what we need to do, we need to keep on adding the like current value to our sum variable until our window size becomes equal to k. So we'll keep on going. Now once our window size is equal to k, that means how will we calculate the window size? J minus I plus 1. Now if it is equal to k, that means we have a window size, or we got a subarray of size k. Now what we need to do, we need to check its average. Now if now how will we calculate the average? Average will be sum upon k, because the window size is of k, so there will be total k elements. So average is calculated by sum of elements divided by total elements. So sum divided by k. If this is greater than or equal to this given threshold value, so if this is greater than or equal to given threshold value, we will increment our answer. So we will also maintain one answer which will store the total number of subarrays required for our particular question. Now if this is okay, then what we need to do, we need to shift our like I pointer, because now we need to check the next subarray. So we will increment our I pointer. Before that, what we need to do, we need to remove that particular number sum from our sum variable. So sum. So what we will do, sum minus equal to arr of I. This element is removed from our sum, as well as we have moved the pointer I forward. Now this will keep on happening until we reach the end of the array. So this is how it will work, and in the end we will return the total number of subarrays. So let us see if this code works fine on sample test case or not. So it works fine. Let us submit it. So yeah, our code got accepted. Hope you learned from this video. Thank you.